Okay, I've decided to come up with one last example problem before I sign off for the day, and it's going to be pretty straightforward. What it's going to look like is x squared minus 14x plus 12 equals 0. I'm going to need to solve this. We know that quadratic equations usually have two solutions, and in this case, I don't actually know if they're going to be real solutions or non-real solutions. I don't know if they're going to be rational or non-rational, because I haven't checked this at all, but I know that I have the wherewithal to find it. So, the frustrating thing here is I see that I have the makings of a perfect square once again. The trouble is that this is not what I would expect it to be. I would expect this to eventually be able to factor out into x minus 7 times x minus 7, which would mean that this thing would be 7 times 7, which would be 49, but it's not, it's 12. So I wish that my c term, my third trailing constant, were a 49, and it's not. The way that I fix that is I just subtract out the 12 from both sides, and I get x squared minus 14x plus 0, because 12 minus 12 is 0, is equal to negative 12. And now I can just add back in what I want that thing to really be. I wish that it were 49, so I will add 49 to both sides. That means that I have x squared minus 14x plus 49 is going to be equal to 49 minus 12. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is going to be a 7 in the ones place, and 4 minus 1 is going to give me a 3 in the tens place. 37 plus 12 would get me back to 49, so I feel good about that answer. Then I can rewrite this finally as x minus 7 times itself, or x minus 7 squared, is going to be equal to 37. This is where it gets tricky and you forget what to do next, but this is also where you can lose or gain half your points. Since it's squared on the left side, I can just take an inverse operation, which is going to be the square root. If I did this, I would only get half credit. I'm already doomed to fail this question. But I'm a smart cookie. I remembered that this is plus or minus square root of 37 in order for this to work out. So then this, the square root of a square, usually annihilates, and I get x minus 7 is equal to the plus or minus square root of 37. If I add 7 to both sides, I get that x should be equal to 7 plus rad 37 and 7 minus rad 37. And if I'm going to be fully transparent with you guys, I don't actually know off the top of my head if 37 is a perfect, but I don't think it is because it feels prime. Go look it up, see if it's prime. I think it is, and that means these are my final answers.